Hello.
Daddy.
How are you?
Okay.
Welcome. Princess, are you okay? Yeah. You guys are doing your lesson.
Yes.
That's good. Have you guys eaten anything?
No, we have not eaten.
Huh?
We have not eaten.
You haven't eaten anything?
No.
What of the rice? We have the jollof rice in the kitchen.
We didn't eat the jollof rice in the kitchen because we did not know what you wanted to eat when you come back.
Okay. You shouldn't have bothered about me. Eh? You should have eaten the rice. I will find solution to myself. Okay, I'm coming. Let me bring the rice for you. Okay? I'm coming. What? I'm coming. Okay. Let you eat. Okay? You want what? You don't want to eat?
Where's Daddy? You said that mommy's going on a business trip, and it's been over 1 month now. What kind of business trip is that?
Yes, that's what she told me when she was leaving, that she's going on a business trip. I know it's over a month that she has left us, but never mind. When time reach, you will understand everything, okay? Eat your food. Princess, are you enjoying your cartoon? Your cartoon, this cartoon, does it good? You don't want that jollof rice? What do you want? You want bread? You want bread? Let me go and bring bread for you. Take bread. You want bread? Good girl. Eat, okay? You are enjoying your cartoon. You know the name of this one? What's the name? This one. You don't know the name. Like your big babu. Princess. You look like big babu. Hello?
Who is this?
Hey, Tia, you are asking who is this? So you didn't know it's me, Buckingham Daddy again?
Please, what do you want?
What do I want? You left two children. You left two children with me at home because you want to regulate your status in this country. And you just go like that. You did not even think about our wedding. You didn't think about the wedding ring that you have on your hand. Eh?
Which wedding ring?
You say which wedding ring?
Yes.
The wedding ring that we have, both of us had on our hand. What do you want to happen? Want it to happen to the wedding ring?
The wedding ring has been thrown into the ocean a long time ago.
You,
Why are you asking me about the wedding ring? Which wedding ring? These are big.
you throw our wedding ring into the ocean.
Yes.
You throw our wedding ring into the ocean.
The wedding has been over a long time ago. And you get it into your crazy head.
So what do you want to happen to my own wedding ring?
So
I should throw my wedding ring into the bin.
Yes. Bin it.
Ah, Tia, you wicked though.
How?
What did I do to you to deserve all this?
Well, that's life.
That's life. Remember? Eh? Ayen Sherue.
Yes.
Remember I brought you with my own money from Nigeria.
Story.
Me story.
Yes.
Huh.
Don't call my line again. You are history. As far as I'm concerned, you are history. You can eat the children if you want.
Okay. No worry. No worry, oh. God will judge it.
Daddy, look. Our man's money just fell down.
Ah,
Floor.
okay. Now, go and pick the money and run after the man. Give it back to him.
But maybe God just granted us with the money so we can keep it.
No, that is not how I taught you in the Bible. Okay, remember the Bible says, whatever doesn't belong to you, give it back to the owner. Okay?
Oh, okay, I remember now.
Now, go and pick the money and run after him. Give it to him.
Like I said, I'll catch up with you. I will see you in a minute, yeah?
Money dropped on the floor. My daddy said that I should give it to you.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God. That's true, you know. Oh, God bless you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Oh, this is a well brought up child, you know. For her to have come all that way to give me back the money, I need to see her father.
Good girl. Do you see as I'm teaching your sister now? Whatever doesn't belong to us, we don't take it, okay? Good girl.
I gave it to the man. He said thank you.
You see the man? You give it to him.
Yeah.
Hey, you see? That is what I taught you in the Bible. Always gives what belongs to people, give it to them. Okay? Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Are these your children?
Yeah, they are my children.
Your daughter ran to me now.
Yeah.
And gave me the money that fell from my pocket.
Yes. She saw the money drop from your pocket and she called my attention to it so that I told her to pick up the money and come and give it to you.
I was so surprised when I saw her because children these days don't act the way she acted. So I decided to. I was even asking her to keep the money. She said no. It does not belong to
No, we didn't teach them that way.
And I said, no, I should go back to really see where she's going to, not knowing that she's coming to you.
Yeah.
That you guys are coming back from somewhere.
Yeah, I just go to their school to pick up them.
I don't know what to say, but keep it up. This shows that you are really bringing them up in a godly way, in a way that children should go.
Hey, thank you.
Families these days, they are rare to get this kind of family.
I know.
Their mother must be very wonderful. She must be a good mother as well. Because she has shown that she's impacted in their lives to do the right thing.
I wish you could be a good mother, but it's other way around, sir.
What do you mean?
Their mother is nowhere to be found. You see, I'm the one running up everything on my children now because that is the way she wants it. This is a woman I went to Nigeria to bring with my money. Because of the status of both of us in this country, we have not regulated our status. She left me and said she's going to somebody that will give her paper. And she left the children with me.
She left this beautiful, wonderful young children with you.
That is life, my brother.
Because of status, because of paper.
You can't predict human beings these days. That is the way she put me. So I'm the only one doing the running up on them. And my children, they are doing wonderfully in the school. I thank God for them. Thank God.
You see, in life, God works in the mysterious ways. What will happen is that's my card.
Okay.
Give me a call.
Huh?
I'm an immigration lawyer.
You are a solicitor, sir?
I will tell you what to bring
Okay.
when we meet.
All right, sir.
Just call me, then we'll take it from there.
I will call you.
Whatever that needs to be done,
Yes.
for the love you have for your children and what you're going through now, I will try my best.
Oh, thank you very much. God will help you.
No problem.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Hey, thank you. Hey, let's go. Thank you, sir. I will call you.
Start going to the kitchen. I don't want to trouble you. That's why I say you should just just. Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. How are you?
Sir, I'm on the street now. I see a restaurant, a restaurant.
Yes. Yeah, I'm there. You can come in there. That's where I am. That's where I am, yeah. Alright, see you soon.
Coming here anytime. I don't like it.
I like it.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. How are you, sir? Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
I don't like it.
Tia!
Who is there?
Ah!
I'm Rose.
You are what?
Yeah.
Don't blink eyes for me.
Hey, mister, take it easy. Don't embarrass my girlfriend. She's my fiancée.
Your fiancé?
Yeah.
Ah!
She's Rose.
Oh, God, guy. Why? God, I thought I found the person that will help me to rescue me for this status something. Ah! That Rose, her name is Tia. This is my wife that left me with 2 children.
You're joking. Is that true?
No,
Hi.
You are Rose, aren't you?
I don't know him. I'm Rose.
Ha!
My name is Rose.
God. Ha, Oga. So Tia is you that will be a stumbling block for me.
Excuse me?
Tia.
She's Rose.
Oga, never mind, sir. Sorry, let me be going. Thank you.
No, come. No, wait a minute. Come back, sir. Come back. Come.
Oga, let me be going. Ha! Going.
No. It's all right. Just calm down.
Ha!
You see? Calm
Oga,
down.
please. You know what? I know you want to help me. But I didn't know this woman will be a stumbling block for me again. Not to get the help from you. But this one that just happened now, just let me be going, okay? Thank you, sir. I know it's not your fault. I know.
Mr. Man, I have promised to help you. Not even her will stop me.
You sure, sir?
I will still do what I have to do. This thing that she has done to you, I will never take that from any woman. I promise to you.
Oga, you know this is the woman that left me and 2 children. A woman I brought with my money from Nigeria, with my child into this country. The small one was the one we gave back to in this country. And this woman left me because I didn't have paper. And she too don't have paper. She said she dey go do her own status. How she go have paper that she cannot stand it anymore. And she left the children alone with only me.
It's annoying. I know how you feel. You mean she's the mother of those children?
Did she not tell you that she have children?
No.
She didn't tell you she have children.
I said she even lied to me. She said her name is Rose.
She's not Rose. That is Tia. That's my wife.
So she lied to me then. No problem. Can I have the document?
These are the documents, sir. Hi. Tia.
Okay, yeah. Now that I have some of these documents, I will look into them when I get to the office. But what I cannot see here are the pictures. I will need the pictures, you and the children.
Okay, sir.
Yeah?
Okay, sir.
Bring them for me. Then I will do all that paperwork, then I'll send it out to the home office.
Thank you so
I
much.
promise you, I will get you set.
Please, sir. Please, sir. Okay, sir.
But for that woman you see there,
Yeah.
today is the last day for me and her. Because she can do this to you without even thinking about the little children.
You see?
Oh my God.
You see?
I never expected that. But no problem. It's all over for me and her. Because if she can do this to you, she will destroy my life.
Okay, sir. I will send
Yeah?
the pictures to you. Thank you very much, sir.
Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thanks for coming. Yeah? Hello, young lady. So you are Tia? No, I'm Rose. So come, Tia, what do you want from me? You mean you've destroyed this man's home and you want to destroy my own life? No. Is this who you are? No. You can't do that to me. You can never do that to me. So this is how you people go about destroying people's homes. So you have the mind to leave those children. You see that little cute girl? You left her behind because of documents? Because you want to regularize your stay? You're a demon. You know what? From now, you're out of my life. I'm done with you. You are wicked. You're out of my life for good. I don't need you anymore.
Hello.
Who is this?
Tia.
Hello, how can I help you?
Who are you?
Who am I? I should be the one asking who are you?
Where is Buckingham Daddy?
He's my husband.
What? Who is that?
I don't know. This woman just came out from nowhere.
Which woman be that?
I don't know.
Buckingham Daddy.
Which woman? Tia, you this woman again? What do you want from me?
Who is this?
What do you mean, who is this? Look, for your own information, this is my new wife, my darling, okay?
What? Buckingham Daddy.
What?
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 Let me come in.
Wait, leave, I will hammer you now. This is my wife.
You are joking.
What do you mean I'm joking? Where? Let me tell you, if you don't know, this is my new wife.
What?
My darling, okay?
This?
What do you mean this?
Buckingham Daddy.
Uh-huh.
Hey, I want
Hey! Woman, this is my husband's house.
Yes.
And I've come here to say,
Yes.
and if you think you can come back to this house, good job.
Uh-huh.
So therefore, bye-bye.
Yes.
Buckingham Daddy.
Thank you, my darling. No, I will hammer you with it. She tell you that. Go back. She tell you that, Kojo. Bye-bye. Why will you get back from it? I will plug your eyes with this idiot.